Here I have MAXCOM MS456 and let me show you how to take screenshots on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen, tap apps icon and let's find the screen that you want to capture. In my case it could be the calendar. Let's just assume that I want to save the following screen. So all I have to do is use the following combination of keys, power key and volume down. Let's hold down together these two keys just for about 2 seconds. And as you can see and hear, the device just took a screenshot. Let me show you one more time. Let's hold down simultaneously power key and volume down for about 2 seconds. And you just save the following screen as well. So if you would like to now share, edit or delete taken screenshots, you have to find the screenshot folder. You can do it by using upper bar and tapping screenshot captured, or you may also accomplish that by choosing the apps icon, finding and selecting the gallery right here. And as you may notice, under albums you can choose your screenshot, and here you can share, edit, delete or do whatever you want with the following pictures. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.